Hey, what's good, fam? It's your boy Kevin, aka Campbell_11. Welcome back to another video of mine. I hope you guys are doing okay today. I'm doing fine. I hope you are doing good. I can't complain much. You know, my birthday just passed recently, so can't complain much. Speaking of birthday, you know, I kind of bought myself a little birthday present. I spoiled myself a little bit, and actually I bought two presents for myself, and one of them is on the camera right now. I bought a new lens. Hope y'all like it. It's a little more wide, easy on the arms. And the second present is, ta-da! Got me some new wheels for my car. Those are straight from Japan. As you can see, one of them is not unpacked yet. But these are, let me show y'all. Yep, yes sir! Work wheels. These are CR2 piece in the GT silver color. I got them off from this website called Bai. It's an auction website. If you don't know, look it up. You can buy all the Japanese part. Other than that, I found these a few weeks before my birthday, and I've been wanting new wheels for a while, but you know, it's kind of hard to find the right spec, the right color. Other than that, and this popped up. You know, the price was decent. Not new. They're used exhibit items, but they look pretty new to me. Besides like little smaller stuff, other than that, they're really clean. And I've been wanting to buy work wheels for a while, and it popped up, and I was like, you know what? It's my birthday month. Let's do it. So I bought it without even thinking, you know, the price is whatever, and came with 4 tires. But I told myself, it doesn't matter about the price, because you're gonna get them, you're gonna enjoy them, you're gonna love them. That's all that's gonna matter. You can probably tell right now, it looks really clean and shiny, like it's basically brand new. And I want to keep it this way. I've had the wheel for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't put it on and drove in it because I want to keep it preserve this in pristine condition. I've been waiting for this product to show up, and that product is Adam's graphene ceramic coating. I wanted to ceramic coat my whole wheel so it'll be easy to clean and try to keep this nice polished lip as much as possible. But this video is gonna be the process of me coating my wheels. Hopefully it'll keep it clean. So I hope you guys like this video of mine. First thing you want to do is, of course, prep the surface. In this case, I was like, in a normal situation, you will want to clean it really deep, decontaminate the surface, prep it real right, and then do ceramic coating. Now, in my situation, these wheels are really clean. You know, just a little dirt here and there, but so I won't have to clean that much. I'm gonna use wheel cleaner, spray it down, and just scrub a little bit. I don't really need to prep the surface that much because look at that. I don't know, really, really clean. So the process will be shorter. Spray it, clean it, dry it, and then we'll do the ceramic coating. Let's go. Time to get these wheels clean. Hand wheel cleaner. That's all you need for this case. Quick talk over what I got in the box. Comes with 4 of these. Well, mine comes with 4 of these. It's just a regular borderless gray plush tiles. Comes with 2 suede applicators is where you're gonna use to apply the ceramic. I think this one is the Service Prep Atoms. Then this one is the Ceramic Boost. So you're gonna use this after you're done coating. So basically it helps protect it even more. I bought the kit where mine comes with the light. This is a UV light. You can use it to help you know where you're kind of which spot you miss. You can go back and coat over it. And the most important thing is, well, some spray stuff, some gloves, and the main thing is the graphene ceramic coating. This one is a 60 milliliter or 2 fluid ounces. I'm gonna use the Surface Prep to spray down and just double clean it again, make sure it removes all the oil and stuff like that. So preparation is done. About to put on the glove and do the coating. Since it's my first time, I'm gonna do the inner barrel since it's mainly flat, so I can kind of get used to the technique. Skim through the technique is cross pattern. Make sure that everything is covered. So that's why I'm doing it to the back to make sure that I'm doing the technique right before I go to the front, which has like a bunch of spokes here and there. And the thing with these ceramic coating is that you don't want to let it dry too long, because then it'll get high spots. That's gonna be harder for you to get it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the inner barrels, and then it's gonna show up as like a rainbow effect. And once that rainbow effect is starting to dissipate, that's when you need to wipe it off. Then you should be fine. And that's why I'm doing it to the rear, so I can learn. Applicator, Ceramic Pro, shake it up pretty good. About a few drops here. Since this is a good surface, I'm just gonna go all the way around and then maybe cross hatch. Just to double check. I'm gonna let that one dry and then wipe it off, and then we'll see, and then I'm gonna continue down after that. Finally done. Man, put the wheels on the car, freaking dope. I'm kind of feeling this whole silver chrome combo on the wrap. I had all black wheels before, so this is a big of a change, but show y'all. Looks pretty good so far. Can't complain much. Overall, the process, I would say, is not too bad. It's just pretty tedious, and you have to make sure, you just gotta make sure that you gotta buff off everything off. Other than that, everything seems smooth, clean, shiny. Can't complain much. It took longer than I thought, but it is what it is. Now, the only problem I have with the car right now is that the front tire are a little too big, so it's rubbing. Not a little bit, a lot, especially when I turn. So I would definitely have to get a smaller tire. The rear is not too bad, but I probably might change it up. I don't know, we'll see. The rear is fine. I would like to have better fitment. Guys, thanks for checking out another video of mine. I really appreciate it. Hopefully I don't bore y'all. Good. The wheels looks good. Looks clean. Hopefully it stays clean. Hopefully I did it right. Other than that, thank you again. So I'm gonna end here. Put in some little cinematics of the wheel, and you guys have a nice day. And don't forget, don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. Deuces.